Okay, so we are going to fix this perfect tempered glass protection screen, which is a really thick glass. And you see that, let me see closer look. Basically this is just the one glue side, and there is no another side of everything, so it's basically just one glue side thing. And then I read the instruction here. It's written both in English and Chinese. So basically you have to clean the things first, and then there's a straightforward. So they given the cleaning wipes also, that I use that, and just I keep it handy. This is to remove the bubbles. This is also thick plastic, plastic and not the very cardboard one. And this one on the side, the smart clear, is basically remove the fingerprint. That I already done it, and it's literally crystal clean. And maybe just do one more time, like make sure there is no clearly dust in it. So once it's done it, so what you need to do is okay, now remove the screen. Okay, just relax and you can do it. And then you can keep it right in the position is nicely. Then leave it go as it is. Then okay, see any adjustment to be done. If you are not satisfied, so, to me it's okay. Then there is a slight shifting. Let me check it out. Okay, so basically try one more time. Try from the bottom edge. Looks like slightly smaller than the original one. That's okay. Okay, now its placing is not that hard. So once you're done it, then you start from the center and towards the end. Then adjust the corners, and then that's it. So you can fix it. Then the cover is let me just maybe try with the both colors, but this we need to adjust some more basically. And they said it will take a while to fix it tightly, but that's okay. So that's it. So, and make sure you power off the cell phone before you start doing this cleaning and stuff, because you might apply some spirit, which is kind of like a liquid stuff. So make sure that you power up the thing. And so glossy and sturdy. Thank you for watching, and hope you enjoyed this video. And